Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain why your Android phone is stuck on the firmware update screen. Each firmware update brings fixes for known issues and new features to improve the user experience. Some Android users get stuck on the firmware update screen and don't know why. Whether you know why your Android phone is stuck on the firmware update screen or not, today we'll explain it in detail and provide solutions. Please watch this video patiently. This video applies to phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Why does the Android phone get stuck on the firmware update screen? This problem can be caused by several reasons, such as insufficient storage space preventing the update from installing, or an unstable network connection causing the update to be interrupted. If your firmware update is taking so long, these two reasons are likely the culprits. Don't panic, this problem is easy to solve. We've summarized two methods that can effectively fix the Android phone stuck on firmware update screen issue. Please try them patiently. If you have any questions, you can contact us in the comments section, and we will reply as soon as possible. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to force restart the device. When the firmware update screen is stuck on an Android phone, a force restart is often the first choice, and it's a very effective method. A force restart will allow the Android phone to restart and clear memory, bringing it to its optimal operating state. To use a force restart to fix Android phone stuck on update, press and hold the force restart button combination on your phone. In the video, the Samsung phone's force restart combination is the power button and the volume down button. Press and hold this combination for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone's brand logo appears on the screen, you can release the buttons. Your phone will then automatically restart. After the restart is complete, check if you can access the home screen and use it normally. Method 2 is to perform a factory reset. Resetting your Android phone to factory settings is another way to solve the Android phone is stuck on the update screen problem. However, a factory reset will erase all data on your phone, including downloaded and installed applications. Therefore, before performing a factory reset, we recommend that you back up any necessary data so that you can restore it after the problem is resolved. Next, please follow these steps to perform a factory reset. Connect your phone to your computer and ensure that your phone is powered off and wait at least 30 seconds. Then, simultaneously press and hold the volume up button and the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. Do not release the buttons during this process. In Android recovery mode, use the volume down button to select the erase data/factory reset option, and then press the power button to confirm. Next, use the volume down button again to select restore factory settings and use the power button to select the yes option to confirm. This will trigger the reset process, which should only take 2 to 3 seconds. Once complete, it will return you to the same recovery mode. Then, use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Your Android phone will then restart and boot normally to the home screen. After all steps are completed, the phone is stuck on firmware update mode problem should be resolved. Finally, transfer your backed up data back to your Android phone. Method 3 is to go to the brand store. If the Android phone is stuck in firmware update with do not disconnect USB message issue persists, you'll need to take your phone to a brand store. They'll need to inspect your phone further to identify and resolve the problem. We hope your issue is resolved. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful and thought we did a good job, please like and share it and let us know in the comments which method helped you solve the problem. Also, if you think we have areas for improvement, please leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. See you in the next video. Good luck.